Good day guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the dash clock light on the Nissan Cefiro or Maxima A33. First remove the center ventilator assembly. Disconnect the hazard switch harness. And now remove the two screws and pull the cluster lid D. And disconnect the harness. Next remove the two screws from dash clock. Remove the clock and remove the T5 twist lock socket and replace the bulb. You can buy a bulb like this at your local electronics shop, and I will put the link below if you want a LED type bulb. Try it first, before we put it back all together. Alright, it's working. If your LED bulb does not work, change the orientation of the twist lock socket and try it again. Now put the dash clock back in. Don't forget the screws. Push and clip the cluster lid D, plug the dash clock connector. Now screw the cluster lid D. Lastly, just push the center ventilator assembly from the bottom to the side, to the center and to the top. And just like that, and we are done. Hopefully this video is helpful. Give a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button.